Are you ready to transform your daily routine and supercharge your productivity? Imagine unlocking the secrets to a more efficient and successful life. Stay tuned as I reveal 5 game-changing productivity hacks that will revolutionize how you approach each day. Number 1. Time blocking. Enter the realm of time blocking, a technique that transforms the abstract concept of time into tangible blocks of productivity. Imagine your day as a canvas waiting to be painted with purposeful strokes of tasks and goals. Time blocking isn't just about scheduling, it's about crafting a roadmap for your day, ensuring that every minute serves a meaningful purpose. As I embrace this method, I witness my scattered to-do lists morph into structured timelines of accomplishment. The key lies in setting aside dedicated blocks of time for specific tasks, shielding them from distractions and procrastination. To implement time blocking effectively, start by identifying your priorities, allocating time slots for each task, and guarding these blocks fiercely against interruptions. Watch as your productivity soars on the wings of organized time management. Number 2. Prioritizing tasks. In the big picture of getting stuff done, sorting out what needs to happen first is like finding the secret sauce that makes everything smoother. Imagine your messy desk turning into a clear space just by figuring out what's most important. It's not just about saying, "This is more important than that." It's about putting your energy where it counts. When I started doing this, it was like a fog lifting. Suddenly I knew exactly what to focus on. To prioritize tasks effectively, start by assessing their urgency and importance, then categorize them based on these criteria. Dive into high priority tasks with unwavering determination, letting the momentum carry you through your day with purposeful strides. Number 3. Setting smart goals. Enter the world of smart goals. They're like a bright light showing you the way to being super productive. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Picture setting goals that aren't just wishes, but solid targets you can actually reach. SMART goals aren't random aims, they're like signposts guiding us straight to success. When I started using this method, my goals changed from vague hopes to clear plans leading me to real accomplishments. To make SMART goals work, start by making them super clear, so there's no confusion. Make sure you can measure your progress. Make them challenging but doable. Make sure they fit with what you're trying to do overall. And don't forget to set deadlines to keep you moving forward. Number 4. Implementing the Pomodoro technique. Welcome to the world of the Pomodoro technique. It's like a super cool trick for managing your time that helps you beat procrastination. Imagine your workday being split into short bursts of really focused work, with little breaks in between to catch your breath. The Pomodoro technique isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter by doing short bursts of really focused work. When I started using this, I found myself getting loads more done because I was totally focused during those short bursts, and the breaks helped me recharge. To use the Pomodoro technique, just set a timer for short work periods, usually around 25 minutes, then take a short break. Do this a few times and then take a longer break to give your brain a proper rest. And finally, number 5, creating a morning routine. As the sun rises and a new day begins, our morning routine sets the stage for how the day will unfold. Think of it like a special sequence of habits that wake up your mind and body, getting you ready to tackle whatever comes your way. A good morning routine isn't just about waking up early. It's about doing things that make you feel good before you start your day. For me, my morning routine became like a lifeline. It kept me steady even when things got crazy. It helped me stay productive and focused on what I needed to do. To make your own morning routine, think about what makes you feel energized. Whether it's exercising, meditating, writing in a journal, or just enjoying a quiet moment with a cup of coffee. Make your routine fit you so it kickstarts your day with purpose and energy.